Tuloy mo lang kahit walang nanonood. Tuloy mo lang kahit mabagal ang usad. Tuloy mo lang kahit mahirap. It's all about showing up regardless sa result, regardless sa outcome. It's all about being consistent. Consistency isn't about getting quick wins. It's about showing up regardless of the result. Huwag mo kasing madaliin. Pinanganak ka bang magaling? It's a process of growth. It's always the beginning is the hardest. Kaya nasa sa'yo yan kung gusto mo magpatuloy or hindi. Nasa sa'yo yan kung mananalo ka or hindi. Nasa sa'yo yan kung mag-grow ka or hindi. Tandaan mo, pag ikaw subuko ngayon, automatic talo ka na. Pero pag ikaw nag-continue, lagi naman nasa dulo ang resulta.